Rolling.
What a magnificent view. Behind me is the Jacques Cartier Bridge. It was built in 1934. It spans across the St. Lawrence River, joining the South Shore to Montreal. And it is one of Montrealers' most favorite bridges. Named after a French explorer, what we do twice a week during the summer months is that we climb up onto the bridge when the bridge is closed so that we can watch the international firework competitions, which is choreographed to music as the lights explode above our heads. In 2017, Montreal celebrated its 375th birthday and Canada its 150th anniversary. Montreal's internationally recognized Moment Factory, known for its multimedia and its illumination, created a lighting scheme which was one of its kind. Every day, 365 days of the year, the lights will change according to season, but using the data of the population of Montreal, the pulse of the city, the speed of the light will depend on what's going on using social media. It is not to be missed every evening once the sun sets. Come and take a look at it somewhere around the city in Montreal, the Jacques Cartier Bridge and Moment Factory's project.